cartoon pizza or aromatic pepperoni? Regular milk or soft squishy milk? Or maybe a croissant with a mustache straight from France? Watch regular food versus cartoon food challenge in our new video. Miss Gouache is a cartoon artist. She paints fairy tale characters in her studio with her magical brush. And here is Minnie Mouse. The artist got bored while painting. She is struck by inspiration and accidentally brings her painted character to life. Wow! Now that's what we call a 3D effect. Miss Gouache is over the moon with her creation, but something is missing. This little animal needs a friend, and the artist needs a grateful viewer. And here is Blondie. She comes to our cartoon factory at the perfect moment. It's time to give the fairy tale characters some food. We announce a regular food versus cartoon food challenge. I wonder if mice eat salami pizza. Miss Gouache is painting a slice of pizza for Minnie Mouse with her magical brush, and she takes it right off the canvas. Fold thick paper in half and cut out a template of a pizza slice with allowances. Fasten a 3D triangle. Bend the sides of a paper strip with uneven ends and cut it. Attach it to the side of the slice. Cut tomato sauce drippings from red paper. Define them with a black marker and attach it to the slice. Draw a crust with a black marker. Cut a layer of cheese out of yellow paper. Define it with a black marker too. Make paper circles of salami with black outlines and gray mushrooms. Define the contours. Attach them to the pizza. Add black cartoon glasses. The hostess gives a cartoon pizza to the cartoon mouse. But Blondie also wants some food. Hold on! Minnie Mouse is trying to bite the paper cheese. Mice can chew paper, but they like fresh cheese more. And here's an actual pizza straight from an oven. Not even Walt Disney would be able to paint the smell of pepperoni. A real pizza wins this round. It crunches way better. The score is 1-0. One slice of pizza is not enough, both for a human and an animated character. The girls want more. Miss Gouache had a snack and came up with the next dish. 3, 2, 1, cheeseburger, fly! What kind of pink wonder is this? Cut a semi-sphere shaped like a bun out of memory foam. Make 2 pieces. Coat them with acrylic paints. Cut lettuce from a foam rubber sheet. Crumple it with your fingers to make its texture more realistic. Hot glue it to the bottom bun. Add Pompoms to light clay. Make a patty. Hot glue a rectangle of foam rubber sheet to be the cheese. And a bright foam rubber sheet tongue. Hot glue plastic eyes to the upper bun. Blondie doesn't understand what kind of alien landed on her plate. Bright colors, and it's soft. It must be Cheese George, a friendly burger from Squishy Land. He's not scary at all. He's a longtime friend of Minnie Mouse, and an actual burger is ready. But it's not as funny as Cheese George. You can't even talk about anything with him. Cartoon food wins this round. Cheese George ties the score. 1-1. Miss Gouache is thinking about what she can amaze her new friends with. A brilliant idea pops into her head. Ice cream! One is regular and cold, and the other one is soft and warm. Cut a cone out of memory foam. Make a waffle cone pattern with a hot glue gun. Cover it with acrylic paints. Put light clay in a Ziploc bag. Cut off a corner. And squeeze the clay ice cream onto the cone. Decorate it with bright pom-poms. Attach eyes to the cone. The artist gives the dessert to her new friends. Each ice cream has its benefits. A regular ice cream is very tasty, but the soft squishy looks up at you with its eyes, and it's always ready to play. This frozen round is a tie. The score is 2-2. Miss Gouache is taking the plunge. She is making a self-portrait. It's common knowledge that artists have a creative way of thinking. In this case, Miss Gouache sees herself as a croissant. Well, artists are definitely cut from a different cloth. Wrap a strip of paper to make a cone and fasten it with tape. Twist a wider strip of paper and stick the small cone onto it. Wrap it with a lighter strip of paper that has torn edges. Assemble a croissant this way. Fasten it with a wide strip of paper at the center. Draw eyes and a moustache on it. Cut a red beret from paper and attach it on top. Decorate the beret with a pom-pom. Miss Gouache, in the form of a croissant, is very beautiful, unusual, and edible, because a croissant is an excellent treat for her guests. Just take a look at this elegant beret. It's practically the spitting image of Miss Gouache, except it has a mustache like Salvador Dali. The cartoon croissant beats the regular one, and the score is 3-2. Miss Gouache is looking for creative inspiration, and the girls are getting bored. Minnie Mouse is not used to sitting still for a long time. She wants to steal the magical brush from Miss Gouache. Wow! How beautiful! And now we should make something yummy for ourselves. Minnie Mouse chooses a coconut cocktail. Cut a coconut out of memory foam. Make a round hollow inside. Cover the coconut with petals of brown textured foam rubber sheet. Add borax to slime glue and mix it. Put the slime into the coconut. Attach toy eyes and a nose made from the foam rubber sheet. Add a straw and decorate it with a cocktail umbrella. Wow! Minnie Mouse has a coconut cocktail with lime flavor. Oh, I mean slime flavor. It stretches from the coconut into every direction. Blondie also wants to conjure a tropical cocktail for herself, but a real girl gets a real coconut. Plus, it's very handy. You can't just crack it open with your hands. The brush conjures a whole set of beginner mechanic tools for Blondie. With these tools, she can make a birdhouse from this coconut. But it's all for nothing. This coconut is like a real spy. It doesn't crack. Calm your nerves down with my toy, Blondie. The cartoon coconut wins this round for sure. The score is 4-2. The girls keep coming up with new recipes with the cooking brush. Minnie Mouse is trying out a new spell. Magical Troom Troom, Cereal Zoom! We get soft, colorful Fruit Loops for breakfast. Roll light clay to make a ball. Slightly press it with your finger. Make a hole through it in the center with a straw. Prepare a few loops of different colors. Now we just have to paint some milk. Blondie takes the brush into her hands, but she manages to make only regular milk. Minnie Mouse doesn't agree with that. This milk is way too liquid. It will wash away all the colors. She is lactose intolerant. Now, Minnie Mouse will make milk the way she likes it. Milk Squishy, come to the table quickly. Cut a carton of milk out of memory foam. Coat it with acrylic paints. Add a title that says Milk. Define the contours of the carton with a black permanent marker. Add a cartoon face. Now that's a whole different story. Skim squishy milk? Minnie Mouse keeps fit. Plus, this carton of milk is such a cutie. Miss Gouache needs some milk for her cereals too, because Blondie has conjured it straight from the communal fridge. Oh, so this is where my magical brush is. You and your tricks. The artist is so outraged that she even forgets her cereal on the table. But Blondie figures out at once what she should do with them. Add some milk and crunch. Blondie enjoys her cereal with milk. And Minnie Mouse enjoys her cartoon food as well. So this round is a tie, but cartoon food is still winning. The score is 5-3. Art is very tiring. Miss Gouache falls asleep right with her brush in her hands, and she paints a very tasty dish while sleeping. It's an actual fried egg. Blondie is happy about regular food. But Minnie Mouse is sad because she likes only cartoon food. Miss Gouache has totally forgotten about Minnie. How come? The artist hears the mouse complaining in her sleep. She needs to fix the situation immediately because she has made the cutest fried egg in the world for her favorite Minnie Mouse. Cut a fried egg out of memory foam. Make a yolk from light yellow clay. Cut a strip of bacon out of foam rubber. Cover it with acrylic paints. Cut a slice of toast from foam. Paint it. Define the contours with a black marker. Draw sleeping eyes and a mouth on the yolk. Place the bacon onto a plate. Then put the sleeping fried egg on top and cover it with the toast. This soft egg is a real sleeping beauty. Nothing can disturb its sleep. Minnie Mouse is finally happy now. She digests the happiness that she receives from new toys. The picture, Sleeping Egg, steals the show from the real food. Cartoon food wins our challenge. Did you like our cartoon challenge? Then write in the comments which food you prefer, regular or cartoon. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new challenges on Troom Troom.